Uh, I'm fucked up in the head on scissor, but let me introduce you to a man named Blizzard. A geography teacher at a high school. He thinks he's cool, but he just acts so damn rude. I'm taking you back to 2016, where I met the disgrace of a human being. Stupid motherfucker with some dumb ass glasses. I bet those cheap shits are made out of plastic. Always made me take notes in this class, working till the bell, man. Get off my fucking ass, man. Damn, man, you so fucking stupid. You think that you're holy, but really you smell like stupid shit. Motherfucker, hate you. Nah, I'm kidding, Blizzard. I got nothing love for you. Fuck, man, fuck! Shit. Fuck you. This a little cheap ass rap. Hold you guys until the Black Album coming out. August 23rd, nigga. August 23rd, nigga. August 23rd, nigga. Bitch. All my motherfucking subscribers gonna know this shit, nigga. Fuck up. My face. Fuck you mean.